not this one being upside down. High phones, of course. Like that. Okay, let's get Colby's cans in. Yes, more, please. Yeah, Tiff's birthday live is tomorrow. Okay, I'll do some more after these powder bones. Promise. Yeah, and mod appreciation. I didn't know we could request Lusty. I would have requested Lusty. I want a full bottle now. Just kidding. I'm broke. Nope, too late. Fine. When I go over, I'm just gonna put all the Lusty in my tote. I didn't want to ask for Lusty because it's expensive. And then I seen you put that people were asking for it. I was like, I didn't even ask for it. I was trying to be nice. I think it's even gone up at Home Depot now. It's like 10 bucks now. We've been buying it. Yeah, it's like 10, it's $9.97 now. It used to be $8.97. Yes, line is open. I think I've added everything so far. Let me get an epoxy so we can smooth it out a little bit. Oh, did you meet up with a couple different people out there, Holly? This might be by delivery. My ring just went off. Yes, Sarah, Ash, and Sylvia. Oh, how fun! That is so cool. I know, you guys should have all squeezed together. That would have been cool. Hi, Princess Lonnie's. Oh, thank you, Kendra. Hold on, guys. We got the puzzle. And dish soap. Babe, if you're still in here, is that my delivery? Who's adding powder? Yeah, who's adding powder? So we have 43 minus 5. That's how many cans are left because I added 5 for squish. Yes, okay. I'll get it. Tell me when they leave so I can grab it. I've probably been on about an hour, a little over an hour because I got the puzzle. Asking those annoying questions. Oh, they already left? Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me go get my order really quick. Hi, I'm new. What is this, concrete? Yes. Actually, I'm making a cake right now. I'm making a birthday cake. It's gonna be a big one. What's the point? They really go in on us with the questions. I know, what are you doing? You're like, can you not see what I'm doing? The environment. Or does your water bill go up? Why is your recycled 2? Right, because it's sifted, because it's a lot of work. So my thing is, how do you get rid of it, right? Or like, if you don't like the prices, then don't buy from them. Everybody does their prices different. Are you actually playing to this? The chai's busy tonight. Yes. It's flying tonight. And my cat's doing why? No. Go away. What the helly? Thank you, loves. Thank you, Pretty G. Thank you, Tink. Sally, hi, babe. Hi, Starlet. That was a troll. A troll or maybe somebody on Clean Talk who don't like me. Oh, I do. I have this one. It's like the off-brand Tiny Bowl, I guess. Yes, any negativity in here will get the boot. Kind of makes me wonder, hey, we might. We never know who's behind the troll accounts. They gone. Thank you guys. See what you did, Nat? Yeah, babe, it's 2. It's 2. I think Yessie might send for it. That dog is about to get the boot. I'm gonna go knock on their door like, can you please tell your dog to be quiet? Because I'm kind of live right now. When are you gonna add powder? Like when you send. No, I don't have a dog. It's because my kitchen is like right by the backyard. My kitchen faces the backyard. So our backyards are like so together. It's the neighbors. Right, the dog is extra. Yeah. I have cats. And right now they're quiet. No. Thank you, bestie. Hey, babe, I'm good. That would piss me off. I normally don't hear them because I have the windows closed, but right now I have the window open just so it's not like so smelly down here. That's why we can hear them. Yes, cans and Foca available. And lots of liquids. You don't like the way Foca smells? A lot of people say that. I haven't had a... Okay, bestie. I haven't had a bad mix with it yet. But a lot of people say it smells weird. Like, it smells fishy. And I've heard that from a lot of people. Yeah, I've heard that too. But I haven't had a bad mix yet. Maybe I just had a bad mix. Yeah, no, a lot of people say that. I just haven't smelled it yet. Oh yeah, add water. Paid in gum, period. Any laundry powder? Yes, I have 4 Foca bags. All right, let me get Ash.